Dyson kicked off this month by launching a new smart hair dryer, and it means that one of its original models is now on sale. The hair brand's Supersonic has become famed for revolutionizing the hair industry and is one of the most highly coveted tools on the market. On May 8, fans were treated to a brand new smart version of the dryer, the Neural. Dubbed as Dyson's most intelligent dryer yet, the Neural is powered by new sensor technology to protect against heat damage, while providing your locks with ultimate shine. Neural sensors automatically adjust the heat output to optimal temperature the closer it gets to your scalp. There's also a pause detect sensor that knows when it has been put down during styling or sectioning. The intelligent attachments the hairdryer comes with are customizable by the user to help personalize their styling routine without causing heat damage. As the Neural is the latest addition to the Dyson Supersonic lineup, it is priced a little higher than the other on the market with a price tag of £399.99. However, if it is a little out of your budget, then we have spotted a few alternative options of the dryer at a cheaper price. A refurbished model in the fuchsia and nickel color of the original hair dryer has been reduced on the Dyson website from £329.99 to £279.99, saving £50 off the RRP. John Lewis, Currys and Boots also have versions of the Supersonic at the discounted price. As it is the original version of the dryer, it is slightly different to the Neural, but is still highly coveted by fans. Its main feature is the intelligent heat control technology to protect your hair. There are 3 precise speed settings and 4 precise heat settings, alongside a cool shot that keeps your hair in place after styling. There are also 5 styling attachments: diffuser, styling concentrator, wide tooth comb, gentle air attachment and a flyaway attachment. Meanwhile, the Supersonic Origin is also a cheaper option to buy on the market. Also priced at £279.99, the Origin does only come complete with 1 styling attachment, but it still boasts all the same technology. Averaging an impressive 4.7 rating based on thousands of reviews, it is easy to see why the Dyson Supersonic remains the most awarded hair styler on the market right now. One glowing review read, "This dryer is unbelievable. I've never had a dryer like this." Beauty Deal of the Week: beauty buffs are hailing a £15 miracle hair growth oil that delivers astonishing thickening results. Long celebrated for its hair growth properties, rosemary oil has got beauty enthusiasts buzzing again thanks to the Grousmary hair syrup oil, which has taken TikTok by storm, retailing at £15.50. This hair syrup product has garnered a dedicated following, with numerous customers testifying to its significant impact on their hair, claiming it's become an indispensable part of their routine. Packed with rosemary and thyme, this pre-wash hair oil treatment is designed to promote thicker, faster-growing hair, targeting fullness and bald spots. Offering a plethora of impressive benefits like fortification and improved blood circulation, it's an ideal solution for those on a hair growth quest, particularly if they're dealing with thinning, sluggish growth, or dryness. Boasting over 255 star reviews, the Grousmary oil has a wealth of before and after photos shared by shoppers, showcasing its effectiveness. With hardly any negative reviews, it's hard to find fault with this product. You can buy the Grousmary hair syrup oil here. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages. A second 5-star review read, "I have been using this hair dryer for a month now. It's excellent. I have curly hair, which after using a leave-in hair product and this dryer, my hair retains moisture, luster and manageability. It is a powerful machine, which is easy to adjust to your preferences." And another added, "Very happy with purchase. The heat settings are good and the highest temperature doesn't burn or hurt my scalp like other hair dryers. It's expensive but a good lifetime investment." The Dyson Supersonic Origin with one styling attachment can be purchased for £279.99 on the Dyson website. Meanwhile, a refurbished model that comes with 5 styling attachments is also £279.99. Smart hair dryers have become popular among those who are looking to take care of their hair. Another option on the market worth looking into is the Shark Style IQ Ionic Hair Dryer and Styler. Also coveted by hair fans, this hair dryer adapts heat and airflow to prevent any damage. It's also another option on sale, as it has been reduced from £199.99 to £119.99, a total saving of £80 off the RRP. Don't miss the latest news from around Scotland and beyond. Sign up to our daily